So over the weekend, I caught a bit of road rage between two cars where this black Corvette went to go cut off another car and then quickly slam on his brakes. Now, I'm not sure if the two cars actually made contact and collided, but either way, the driver of the Corvette got out to go talk with the other driver. Now, right after this happened, I pulled over so that I could share the dash cam footage with the driver that got cut off. And I'm really glad that I was running the Viofo A329T, which has a second telephoto lens, because while both of its front-facing cameras can record what happened, the telephoto with its zoom lens does a much better job of capturing what's going on way down the road, especially once the other driver starts getting out of the car, and then who knows what would happen after that. These telephoto cams are useful for more than just helping to capture license plates. Additionally, there was also a cop that was pulling up right behind us at the red light, and so they were already there before I even had a chance to park and go up to share the dashcam footage. Now, I have no idea what happened beforehand to cause this whole mess, but either way, I hope everybody's okay and they get this all taken care of. This encounter is also making me appreciate telephotos that much more. I've always figured they were just kind of a bonus, an extra cam, and that is true, but the more I run dash cams with telephotos, the more I'm coming to appreciate them.